The next generation of children will be the leaders of the world. They will be our doctors, our lawyers, teachers, nurses, etc. In the state of Maryland, there is evidence that the state is lagging behind in student performance in STEM. While 6,000 STEM jobs open each year in the state, Maryland colleges and university only graduates about 4,000 students. Here at Kidstream Incorporated, we academically and socially prepare youth for careers in STEM, research, and the arts. We offer tutoring, mentoring, after-school programs, and summer camp. We prepare our youth to become problem solvers, creative thinkers, and critical learners. Plus, we apply everything we teach them through real-world application and field trips. Our vision is to build a charter school serving grades pre-kindergarten through 12th. For more information, visit our website at www.kidstreaminc.com.